Let's say you had a very basic skirt and you wanted to add a yoke to a skirt. How do we do that? The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. If you're interested in finding out more about it or enrolling, click the link below. Roll it. Okay, so let's say we have a very basic two dart skirt. And here are my two darts. What I want you to do is to draw some guidelines, two guidelines, from the end of the dart, known as the vanishing point of the dart. From the vanishing point of the dart, a straight line all the way down to the hemline. We're going to slash from the bottom of the skirt, from the hemline, all the way up to the vanishing point of the dart. When you slash up to the vanishing point of the dart and you close the dart by folding one leg on top of the other, see what happens? This area opens up. I have slashed, closed my dart, slashed, closed my second dart, put another piece of paper underneath, right? And now I have an A-line skirt. It is easy to now use this flat surface to establish my yoke line. And really, this is really up to you to figure out the shape, the size of the yoke. Again, it could be very narrow, it could be very wide, it could be at a certain angle. So for this exercise, I've just kept it very simple. Here it is. It has a bit of a rounded shape to it. I'm going to now cut and separate my yoke from my skirt. Once I have separated my yoke from the skirt, I'm using my slash and spread technique to add fullness to the skirt. And by now you can see that all this fullness will be gathered to fit this yoke. All right, in the next class, we'll talk about necklines. We really haven't talked about that. See you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.